Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in Mcx Crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday. That was on last Friday. So the price opened here 4,940. We expected price to stay on buying side, maintaining 4,890 as top, and right after the opening, the price consolidated for a very long time. It tried to clear 4,960, resulted in a failure, and came just near the stop. We can say exactly the price traded on the stop and picked the momentum, we could see. After that, it got a straight away gain and pushed above 5,000, but still it could not hold and close near 4,950. Today expected to open somewhere near 4,940. There is no change in our strategy. Still we will maintain 4,800 and 4,890 or maybe 4,888 to give some buffer for 90 stop, which means that we want to place some 2 points below the Friday's low, and then you can go for buying in crude oil, and you should know that this contract is going to expire. So if the price is coming down below 4,890, then we will pass our trading, and then we will try to position ourselves in the new contract. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.